What's up guys, I'm here with a much anticipated video. We are doing the daytime running lights tutorial today. This is it guys. First let's get into what daytime running lights even are. So when you first key on your bike, your headlights and your running lights will come on, meaning the headlights, let me do this real quick for you guys. So boom, that's off. This is normally what happens. So when I key it back on again, you got headlights and the running lights. Now the headlights will fade away and you just have the running lights on. Now when I turn the daytime running lights on, it's just gonna be those running lights the entire time on the bike. So instead of the headlights running with the engine at all times, you'll have the headlights off and the halos on. Now what happens if you need to actually use your headlights, you ask? Well, these are automatic, meaning in the combi there's an actual sensor. The sensor picks up how much ambient light there is and determines when to turn on the headlights and when to turn them off, meaning if you go through a tunnel, it's black or dark or something like that, the headlights automatically pop on, much like you'd see in a modern car today. The signifier that you have the automatic headlights or the daytime running lights on is right there, that little white A on the cluster right there. Real easy, and then you can see right over here, got nothing right now. So we're gonna fix that. Before we get started here, I'm gonna preface this with saying that while this is free and we're doing this out of the kindness of our hearts, it took us a while to find you guys a solution that is super simple. We're gonna do this from our phone, basically. I'm gonna show you guys step by step on how to do it. I've done it on quite a few bikes now. This is good for the K66 and K67. I've done that on both bikes. That means a 20 plus M1000RR or S1000RR, which everyone's been asking for in the daytime running lights. And if there is some kind of issue with the utility I'm about to show you guys, don't call us, don't email us, talk to them. We're not making any money off of this. I'm only gonna give you a link here that sends you to a place to buy the thing. We don't make a penny off it, guys. I'm just telling you guys how to do this, that's it. So if you follow my directions, which if you watch my do-it-yourself videos, I'm very, very detailed on how to do this. You guys will know how to do this very quickly here. And if you guys are really nice about this, you give us a whole bunch of likes in this video, at least 5,000, I would say. I'll also show you guys how to do the M animation screen and the 16,000 limiter. It is on this cluster, but of course it always comes with this one. But I'll show you how to do it on the K67 as well. First thing you want to get is the Beamer Utility Tool at beamerutility.com. With the license and the dongle here, you're about 170 bucks, which considering if you actually paid someone to do these coding features on your bike, you're probably going to be about that deep into it just without getting any way to do it yourself. Now you can do this yourself at home. You can help your friends out. You can even charge your friends. You can make a business out of it if you really wanted to, and they didn't want to look at this. So first get this. This is the most important thing. The Beamer Utility Tool right here. You can download the app on your phone. It goes for Android and it goes for iPhone. So super easy to do. Okay, connect the Beamer Utility Tool dongle to your OBD port right there. Same way you connect your handheld. And then there's no green light. Here's the green light right there. It'll power on once you key the bike on. So let's go ahead and key the bike on, get started. Bike keys on, green light. There it goes. Now we got power going to the Beamer Utility dongle, and now we can start playing with the app itself. All right, with the Beamer Utility on here, we're gonna go ahead and connect to it through Wi-Fi. So let's go to our Wi-Fi settings here. Come on, there you are. Oops, there we go. All right, now it's on BU Wi-Fi, so Beamer Utility Wi-Fi. That's the one we want right there. Nothing else. Beamer Utility Wi-Fi. Let's get out. Okay, any day. Let's go to our Beamer Utility Tool right there. So first thing you want to do here, of course, is go to your settings, app settings, and first you want to make sure you're on eNet and connection type bike motorrad. That's the first thing you're going to want to do. Get that out of there, connect. Let's go ahead and connect it up now. You should instantly see the VIN number right there. It's detecting all the control modules right now. You can see it working. Determining vehicle features. Now, keep in mind, if this is the first time running this app, it's going to ask you to enter like a key that they sent you, a couple other things like enter your email, things like that. Super easy stuff. I don't think I need to walk you guys through how to register something. Super easy stuff though. So now that we're here, we're going to go ahead and go to Edit FA right there. And first thing you want to do is go here and you want to go ahead and basically you want to create a backup, right? So we want to do a backup right here, and you want to save your backup, create a stock bike, and then save that. That'll make a backup at least, so in case something goes wrong, you'll have a backup here. First thing we'll do here is to find the daytime running headlights. We'll go to 202. 202 is right there, daytime running lights. We're going to click it on, and go right here. the three dots there. Click save. Now it's successfully saved, but nothing's happened yet. Nothing's happened yet. Nothing's happened yet. So that isn't the key right there. Now click back, and we're gonna go to the BCO here, click down on it, and we're gonna go to VO code. VO stands for vehicle order, actually. So let it go ahead and clear its stuff right there. Now that's done. Still nothing going on. Okay, let's go over here and go to the combi now. Combi, let's go to VO code. Now we're coding the combi, which it should flash and flicker and restart. There it goes. And now you see, all right, let's have to restarts here. Bam. The automatic headlights right there, it is on. Now all you have to do here to check everything and make sure everything's on and working properly, we'll go here, we'll go to settings, we'll go to vehicle settings, click on it, and we'll go to lights. Now before, this wasn't an option, automatic daytime running lights, which is already checked right now. And if you want to verify it 100%, I think we have enough light in this garage. Let's go ahead and fire the bike up. There it is. That's it, guys. Daytime running lights working properly, and that's it. It's really that easy. Just need this dongle here, the app on your phone, and it's really as easy as I just did it. Super simple, guys, and makes the process really easy. You can take it off the bike, you can put it back on the bike if you want, and we can do other tricks like I said. Now, keep in mind here, if you can't connect to the Beamer utility tool here, make sure you check your Wi-Fi settings, disconnect everything, connect everything, relaunch the app, do the typical troubleshooting stuff you do if you're having trouble connecting to Wi-Fi or a laptop or something like that, because it is basically through a Wi-Fi unit. It's using this as Wi-Fi basically. Other than that, I think you guys are all set here. And like I said, we get enough likes on this video, we'll do the M animation screen, and I'll do the 16,000 limiter tutorial as well. It's really gonna be that easy as well. A little more stuff on this thing to do that, but really easy, guys. And here comes the shameless plug, guys. We are BT Moto. We flash new bikes, take restrictions off, make them have more power, smoother rideability. The list goes on and on and on. If you check us out at www.bt-moto.com, you can see these bikes and more that we flash and see all the features we put onto it. I mean, faster quick shifter, better fueling, ignition. We even do track custom settings for tire sizing, slicks, all that stuff, guys. So if you haven't already, check us out, www.bt-moto.com.